met people. Well, today my job for today was making a couple of doors for this cabinet, putting hinges on them and making a proper control panel, so, or switch panel, or whatever the hell you want to call it. So this is what I've come up with. This is my panel. It's made out of an old wine box. So it's got my USBs there, USBs in that, cigarette lighter, and my 3 switches. 2 aren't even wired up yet for something, and this one just controls all of these. I also made some doors for my cabinets. These were made from, I mean, you can't get wood from B&Q or anything like that right now. There's nothing in the places. It's like everybody's went DIY mad during lockdown, so I'm just working with what I've got. So I had some 3.6mm ply left, so I just doubled that up, so that gave me 7mm thick. And then I added, this was an old wine box, as you can see, thingies on it, and I just cut it, that's 10mm thick, so I just cut that into 50mm strips and just made a couple of kind of, I don't know, shaker style, would you say there? I think that's what you call it. They're not perfect and they're not meant to be perfect. I think they look quite smart. That wee bit's, I've just got to tidy this bit up here. That's that kind of little cabinet kind of bit will be finished. So that's, I don't think I fitted the hinges right. I think they're too far in and it's stopping the door opening right up. I think like these bits up here, I think they need to come out a bit, because I've adjusted them as far as they'll go. They look alright. That was my job for today. I'm doing no more. Mainly because I'm running out of wood. I'm down to using scrap pieces of wood, you know, for kind of making shelves and, you know, cutting them in half and all that kind of stuff to screw into and stuff like that. I'm going to have to use all that kind of up to box this and up here and along here. It's just to build the kind of frame for it, so it doesn't matter what it looks like. I've also got some of this. My brother gave me some of this stuff. It's the corner edging. So once I've done my cabinets and stuff and painted them, I'm just going to put that on the edge. Just plastic, but it'll protect the edge a bit and tidy it up a bit, so it won't look too bad. So I'll be using that to just do the corners. not like plywood and this plywood is anyway, it will just kind of split if you don't kind of protect it. So that's been my day really. And tidied out under the garage a bit and got some of the old wood and all that out of there. Progress is slowing down now. Just lack of wood. I had the wood, I had this, like the kind of building wood side of it finished by now. My brother keeps telling me he's going to get me a worktop, so that's why I've not bought a worktop, but I'm still waiting on him buying a worktop. I guess could do a bit of painting, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, just a short video, show you the doors I've done. So, just some, like I said, plywood, an old wine box, and some kitchen hinges. So nothing too complicated. So that's my kind of kitchen area, and almost done, just worktop, just to paint it and worktop, and that should be it. I'm going to just get some kind of oil or wax or something to do these wooden bits. These kind of wooden bits here. And I'm thinking of putting a colour in here and paint it a colour. Maybe try and get a kind of blowy grey like this on these doors. Because I'm two minds whether to paint them or just leave them the way they are. They're quite smart the way they are. Oh, look at some scuffs and that on them. Yeah, that's it. Just a wee short one. So, thanks for watching. Progress is slow just now, but we'll get there. Until next time. Handles on them. There you go. I've not put any catches on them. These hinges that's on them are snapper hinges, so I'm hoping they'll just keep them snapped shut. I don't think so. I think I'll need to get magnetic hinges, but magnetic catches. I think alright. Amazing what a couple of doors and a couple of handles can do. Yep. Alright. Lighthouse.